Alright, remove this front air intake thing. 1 rivet, 2 rivets, 3 rivets. Alright, remove the fan. 2 electrical connectors, Torx 25 bolt, and another rivet right here. Alright, break free the 10mm nuts on the water pump pulley before loosening the belt. Remove the tensioner pulley dust cap. Torx 50, detension the serpentine belt. Serpentine belt is loose. Remove the 4 pulley bolts. Remove the pulley. Loose water pump pulley. Hammer the stuck pulley loose. There's the water pump. Remove 4 10mm nuts. Four of them. Loose water pump bearing. Use the helper screws to extract the water pump. Water pump is out. Old water pump. New water pump, $50. Put in the new water pump. Lean into it and jam it in and seat it in place. No movement in the pulley. Replace the 10mm nuts. Some anti-seize on the pulley before putting it back on. Screw back the 4 10mm nuts holding the water pump pulley. Route the belt back on. Get the Torx 50 tensioner, T-tension the pulley and slip the belt back on. Alright, the belt's back on. That was a little bit of a fight with one hand. Check that the belt's seated in all 4 grooves all the way around. Alright, the broken water pulley sound is gone. Tighten the 4 10mm nuts on the pulley. Bleed and top off the coolant. Put the fan back. Reconnect the fan connectors. Now reattach the Torx screw here and the fastener here. Rivet fastener for the fan. Last thing is the intake shroud. Three fasteners, 1, 2, and 3. And we're done. New water pump is in place.